Hello, in this tutorial we're gonna improve our script from the last tutorial and make it so our rope can actually pull objects. So as you can see, we have this box and we can get pulled toward it. It can move because it has a rigid body, but we can't move it. So all we need to do is get this rigid body and apply force in the opposite direction that we are pulling our character. And also we would want to update the connection point to our box so our rope won't hang out in the air. So let's just get into it. So let's create a rigid body variable and call it target. So it would be the pulling object, and we can get the rigid body simply by saying collision dot rigid body. So what's cool is if there is no rigid body like this platform, we would just get null and simply everything would work just fine if we just say in the pool if there is a target, if target is not null. And let's say target dot add force, and let's add our force by in reverse, and let's also create a float for targets pool, say 30, and now apply it in here. So target pool. Okay, so now we have the first step when we can pull the object, but we are not updating the connected point. So all we need to do is either set it to the target transform, so transform.position equals to target position, and it would also do, but there is a small issue here. So if we do it this way, it would always be connected to the middle of the box, and we can do a little bit better. So let's leave it be connected in the right place with a little offset. So let's say private vector2 offset, and we just need to do target equals to offset. So offset is our target dot position minus transform dot position, and we get the local position where we hit. So it should be vector 2, so we can actually do the minus, and here we want to add the offset. Also, uh, now we have slightly different issue. So if the box rotate, we would get our rope in the air sometimes, and it can be simply fixed by saying offset is, let's say, 0.5, and with this we get the same result, but we won't have a weird rope position. Okay, so this is it. Now this also works with boxes with higher mass, so let's say mass of 15, but we would get only one of 15 force, so now we can't actually pull it. So the way to fix it is really simple. Let's just save our mass, and mass is simply target dot mass, and now we just have to multiply it by mass, and now we ignore the mass of the object. Not sure if somebody needs to ignore it, but this is a really simple way to do it. And yeah, so thank you for watching and see you next time.